Before the world wakes up, before the roads are filled with noise, there's a quiet moment. A moment where it's just me, the morning air, and the promise of a ride. Sundays are special because I get to ride. No ride begins without this ritual. Coffee. It's not just a drink, but a slow, deliberate process. The scent that fills the air, it's a moment of peace before the rush of the road. It's funny how something so simple can feel so necessary. And after coffee, this isn't just clothing. This is armor. A second skin that connects me to the road. Every rider knows the feeling, the weight of the jacket, the grip of the gloves, and the click of the helmet strap. It's a ritual of its own. And with this, I'm ready. Before I trust the road, I trust her, my escape. There it is. That sound, the heartbeat of the ride. The roads are empty. The morning air crisp against my skin. The city is still stretching, yawning awake. But out here, it's just me. The hum of the engine and the endless stretch of asphalt ahead. Soon, I reach my first stop. My friend is already there. He's standing tall beside his bike. Also, he's always the first to arrive. We ride in sync. The road unfolding beneath us, like a story waiting to be told. Not long after, we reach the second meetup point, where our friends are waiting for us. And this is more than just a group. This is a brotherhood. Every rider has their own journey, their own reasons for being here. But on this road, we are the same. We are the riders. And today, we ride together. It's not just about the speed. It's about movement, about freedom. For some, freedom is just a word. But for us, it's a feeling. Soon we reach our favorite spot, a cafe. The kind of place where time slows down. The conversations are unhurried, laughter fills the air, Stories of past rides, missteps, moments that made us feel alive. And then they are the real stars of this place. The dogs. Dozens of them. Running freely, tails wagging, eyes bright with excitement. They don't care about the bikes or the ride. They only care about the moment, about us. And for a little while, we forget about everything else. One of them, Cassie, finds me. She always does. A look that says, stay a little longer. And for a moment, I wish I could. The ride back always feels different. A little slower, a little more thoughtful. Like the road itself is reminding us to hold on to this feeling, to let it sink in before we return to the world waiting for us. We take one last break, stopping for a cold drink at a roadside stall. The ride is almost over, but the feeling stays. The sun is higher now. The roads are busier. But inside my helmet, it's still just me and the road ahead.